The biggest challenge businesses face when writing lead generation messaging that converts is capturing attention and building trust. To do that, you must first develop a deep understanding of your target audience's needs, pain points, and aspirations. Without that, crafting messaging that resonates becomes challenging. Remember to avoid generic language. Your message will lose authenticity and fail to stand out. Crafting authentic content that genuinely speaks to your audience is crucial. Another common messaging challenge is focusing on features. The most effective lead generation messaging highlights customer-focused benefits and creates a sense of urgency without being pushy or insincere. Impactful lead generation messaging also maintains a consistent brand voice, which helps the public to better recognize your brand. Addressing these challenges involves a combination of market research, empathy, creativity, and a commitment to ongoing optimization. Use analytics tools to measure performance, analyze data, and update your strategies based on insights. Put all that together and you'll be on your way to creating successful lead generation messaging that aligns with your audience, delivers value, and most importantly, converts them to action.